So we're at the Tri-State Airport in Huntington, getting ready to take our flight to Tampa. It keeps getting delayed. We've been pushed back 2 hours. We're sitting in the parking lot now, kind of waiting to see what the updates will say. Right now, that puts us into Tampa at 1:15 a.m. So nice and early. We'll give you guys an update on what's going on from here. Okay, so our plane just landed. We're unloading right now, and we're waiting to load up and get on a plane and head to Tampa.
This is a great trigger, and I'm going to show you why. When they're alive, you can't put that one down and see, even when he's dead, unless you put this one. This one's the trigger.
Oh,
that's
wow.
why they call him a trigger fish.
Oh,
you cannot put that down unless you put that.
Tell you what, when that baby's alive, I'd hate to have that get into me.
You can look through that.
Baits again today are going to be Mike and Mikey. You got Dean in the galley.
There we go.
We can get those little suckers. That's a keeper.
That's a keeper?
Absolutely it is.
What is that?
It's a gray snapper.
Gray snapper. Okay.
Yeah, if it's big enough for us to get some meat off of, we're keeping.
Nice. Awesome. Grab your, you going?
Oh, you definitely go right.
The bird nest.
Well, I'm screwed blue cat.
Oh, hell.
I'm gonna have to haul it in. Better, but that's a nice.
That's a beautiful one. You want?
Oh shit, man! How could I miss that? I didn't miss. I swear that's the same. That's the same exact fish.
Mm-hmm.
Be right back with the number.
You hear me? Oh yeah. That's a bigger one.
Maybe. That took their bit, mate. That's a buffer.
Puffer,
You
yeah.
be careful of that. That's the one he told you about.
That's a puffer.
Puffer, right? They're poisonous, right?
You ain't scared
No,
of them, are
not these. Blowfish.
Oh, blowfish.
Yeah.
you? So cute.
Get a good shot of it?
Oh yeah, yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, hey, you trying to get away? No, back there.
Get away. You dropped it out. Blue sky.
I think there's something on here. That one good?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Grass porgy. P-O-R-G-Y.
Oh, that's a pretty one. Yeah, we'll take it.
No.
No.
Little black spot tails are they're a big fish. So those commentate runs.
Alright guys, one minute, let's go to another spot.
Yes, sir.
Niner.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Feels a pretty good one. Not huge, but at least not anchovy. That is. Huh?
No, if he was bigger, it'd be good eating.
Say what it's called. Looks like it. Yeah.
Alright guys, the current's changing on us, we're starting to drift a different direction. Go ahead and run them in real quick when we reset the boat.
Come on. Put your rod out. Yeah, put your rod out that way. How big do those things get?
That's pretty big. I don't know how big they get, but
Probably about this big right there.
yeah.
Come on, sir. Come on.
I think. Yes, sir. That's good size up there.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, that's monster. That's so pretty. Order that. You know where you want to go, don't you?
Yeah. Are you guys getting yours cleaned?
Huh?
Are you getting them cleaned?
Yes.
Yeah.
You want these?
You guys take ours too.
No, are you not going to eat it?
You guys take it, then you'll have a big catfish.
She's not eating meat, so why we...
Wow, thank you so much.
Are you sure you don't want I kept the book, you know?
That's more of it.